Hello, my dear students. Neeraj again with the next chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Now the question number 1, the first part is 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and number of girls who take part in the quiz. Now, according to the question, we have to find the solution graphically. We are having several methods. Algebraically, we can find the solution, and the second method is graphically. So now I am going to describe the how to find the method graphically. So for this, firstly we will read the statement again. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys. Now in the question we are talking about two things. One is the number of girls and the other one is the number of boys. So firstly I will take let one thing as x and the other thing be y. So let the number of boys you can take as x and the number of girls y. Suppose if I'm talking that there are 10 girls and 12 boys in a class, then what will be the total number of students? 10 plus 12 will be 22. Similarly, 10 students of class 10th means overall there are 10 students, means number of boys plus number of girls is equals to 10, means number of boys are x and number of girls are y. The total strength of the class is 10 and total strength is made up of boys and girls total. So x plus y is equals to 10 and this is the equation number 1 according to the first line. Now second line, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Now according to the situation, number of girls is equals to 4 more than means we add number of boys. Now the number of girls are y, number of boys x. So that will be the equation number 2. Now in the last question that I have discussed in my previous video, the graphical method I was discussed, but there I have not calculated the number of boys and number of girls. In that part we have made the graph only. But now I will tell you how to make the graph and how to find out the number of boys and number of girls, or you can say solving the two linear equations, and or you can say find the solutions. So for that I will take the first equation. Equation number 1 implies x plus y is equals to 10. So again I will take the values. I will take one variable here and the other one on the other side, on the right side. So I will take y here and x is of positive sign. When it goes on the right hand side it becomes negative. 10 minus x. I will make a table as we have done in the last question. Put the value of x. Firstly I will take the value of x because the value x is an independent variable. So I will take the value of x by myself. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be any. I am taking the value of x as 0. So the value of y will be 10 minus 0 and it will be 10. Similarly, next I will take the value x equals to 10, y is equals to 10 minus 10 equals to 0. You can take any value or you can take any number of values. So x is 0, y is 10 and x is 10, y is 0. I made a small table for my convenience. Now the second part implies y is equals to 4 plus x. Again I will substitute the value of independent variable x and the corresponding values of y will come by itself. So firstly I will put the value of x equals to 0. The value of y will be 4 plus 0 equals to 4, and again I will take the value of x equals to minus 4, y is equals to 4 minus 4 is equals to 0. You can take any value, you can take any number of values. X, y, make a small table, x0, y4 and x minus 4, y0. Now these are the two tables. With the help of these tables I will make my graph very easily. Now I am moving to towards my graph paper. So this is my graph paper with the graphical method. I have draw the axis here. This is the positive y axis, negative y, positive x, negative x. So what kind of value here is the maximum y I required 10, and the minimum it will be 0, and here the maximum value of x is 10. Similarly here the maximum value of y is 4 and minus 4. So with the help of these values I can plot my points on the axis. So there are few boxes you can see, and I take two boxes, means one box is of 10 points and two boxes of 20 points. So two boxes as 2 units. Again next two boxes as 2 units means 2, and then 4, then 6, then 8, then 10. This is the positive x-axis. Similarly this is the negative x-axis. Leaving two boxes I plot the minus 2, minus 4, minus 6. Similarly on the y-axis I plot the point 2 after leaving two boxes. Similarly after leaving two boxes I plot the point 4, and this is the positive y-axis. Similarly negative y-axis, and this is the O means origin, where all the coordinate axes meet. Now I am going to draw the points. So points are you can see the points are 0, 10. Firstly 0 and 10. X is 0, y is 10. You can see on the graph paper, x is 0, y 10. X is 0, y 10. This is the point. X 0, y 10. Mark the point and put a circle on it and write the point here. And the second point is 10 comma 0 as given in the my table. 10 comma 0, 10 means x is 10, y is 0. On x-axis the point will be. So these are the 2 points. With the help of these 2 points I can make the graph. Now I'm joining these 2 points with the help of a scale. Because this is a linear graph, it always be a straight line. So the equation of my line was x plus y is equals to 10. So I will write it here, x plus y is equals to 10. And the second is y is equals to 4 plus x, and the points are 0 comma 4 and minus 4 comma 0. 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4 means the point will be 4 point will be on the y-axis. This is 0 comma 4, and the second point minus 4 comma 0, minus 4 on the negative x-axis, and minus 4 comma 0. Now join these points. Now this is my second line, and the equation of the line is y is equals to 4 plus x. But we have to calculate the point number of boys and number of girls, means I have to calculate the x and y value. So from the graph we have to calculate the value. And what is the method? You can see that the from the graph that two line representing equations intersect each other. You can check the graph after analysis. You can check that These two lines meet at a point. Here both are meeting, both are intersecting each other. So this is the point of intersection, or you can say if the two lines intersect each other, that will be the solution of the question. Solution means you can check from the graph. This is 2, this is 4. And when I check that point, it comes between 2 and 4. This is 2. Next point will be 3 and that is 4. So the x coordinate of this point is 3. Similarly, you can check from the y-axis. This is 6 and that point, this is 8 and in between there will be 7. So this point 3 comma 7. It means 3 comma 7 is the solution of the two equations. Means I will write it here. From the graph, we see that two lines intersect each other at 3 comma 7. So the solution of the pair of linear equations is, because there is one solution, so I will write is 3 comma 7 and this is the abscissa part, this is ordinate part. Abscissa represent x coordinate and the ordinate represent y. So the value of x is equals to 3 and the value of y is equals to 7. But x and y these are the variables and taken by me. So what was x? In the beginning you can see that number of boys equals to x. So therefore the number of boys was x and the value of it will be 3 and the number of girls is equals to y. In the starting you can check that the number of girls we have taken as y and the number of girls is equals to 7. Hence the number of boys who took part in the mathematics quiz are 3 and the number of girls are 7. And this is the method to calculating the solution of graph from a graph, sorry, of two pair of linear equations in two variables. There are several methods, but this is a graphical method by which you can find the solution. Thank you very much.